If you're looking to lose belly fat as fast as possible, this video is perfect for you. We'll share 5 easy exercises designed to help you burn belly fat and achieve a flat stomach in just a month from home. Exercise number 4 is a game changer, an often ignored move that's a true gem for anyone aiming to shed belly fat. Want to discover what it is? Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Before diving into specific exercises, it's essential to clarify that fat loss occurs when the body is in a caloric deficit, meaning it burns more calories than it consumes. This forces the body to use stored fat for energy, reducing overall body fat, including belly fat. However, spot reduction, the idea that one can lose fat from a specific body part by targeting it with exercise, is a myth. To effectively lose belly fat, a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and a healthy diet is necessary. To effectively reduce belly fat, it's crucial to maintain healthy, balanced diet rich in whole foods such as vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Reducing the intake of processed foods, sugary beverages, and unhealthy fats will also play a significant role in controlling calorie intake and promoting fat loss. Furthermore, consuming enough protein can help preserve muscle mass while in a caloric deficit, making your workouts more effective in burning fat while maintaining muscle. Drinking plenty of water, managing stress, and ensuring adequate sleep are also important factors in supporting weight loss and reducing belly fat. Now let's move on to specific exercises. Number 1. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are one of the most effective core exercises, engaging multiple muscle groups at once. This exercise primarily targets the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, and the obliques, muscles on the sides of the abdomen. When performed correctly, the motion of the bicycle crunch simulates pedaling while simultaneously involving a twisting motion, which increases muscle activation in the obliques. By engaging these muscles, the exercise helps tone the abdominal region and builds overall core strength. While this exercise alone won't melt away fat, it plays an important role in improving muscle tone and endurance. When combined with a comprehensive fitness routine and proper nutrition, building core strength through bicycle crunches can make the abdominal region more defined as overall body fat is reduced. Although bicycle crunches are not primarily a cardiovascular exercise, they can contribute to an increase in metabolism and fat burning. Core exercises like bicycle crunches raise the heart rate to some extent, especially if performed in a fast-paced circuit with little rest in between sets. This elevation in heart rate helps increase caloric expenditure, contributing to fat loss. In addition, by building muscle in the core area, bicycle crunches help increase lean muscle. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue, meaning that the more muscle you have, the more calories your body will naturally burn throughout the day. As a result, increasing core muscle mass through exercises like bicycle crunches can indirectly support fat loss, including belly fat. To perform bicycle crunches correctly, lie on your back, placing your hands gently behind your head, and bending your knees at a 90-degree angle. Lift your upper body off the ground, bringing your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg a few inches above the floor. Then, switch sides by twisting your torso and bending the opposite knee. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Number 2. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a highly efficient way to burn calories and increase overall fat loss. It is one of the most intense forms of cardiovascular exercise, engaging multiple muscle groups, including the legs, core, shoulders, and arms. This full-body engagement results in a high-calorie expenditure in a short amount of time. On average, jumping rope can burn between 10 to 16 calories per minute, depending on factors like body weight, intensity, and fitness level. This means that just a 10-minute jumping rope session can burn 100 to 160 calories. The higher the intensity and the longer the duration of the workout, the greater the calorie burn, which helps contribute to the caloric deficit needed for fat loss. Jumping rope is not only an effective calorie-burning exercise during the workout but also has a lasting impact on metabolism. High-intensity exercises like jumping rope can boost the metabolism, leading to an increase in the number of calories burned even after the workout is completed. This phenomenon, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or the afterburn effect, causes the body to continue burning calories at an elevated rate as it returns to its resting state. While jumping rope is primarily a cardiovascular exercise, it also engages the core muscles, especially when performed with proper form. Keeping the core tight while jumping helps stabilize the body and maintain balance, leading to increased abdominal muscle activation. Over time, this engagement helps strengthen the core muscles, contributing to a toned midsection. To perform jumping rope correctly, stand with your feet hip-width apart and your knees slightly bent to help absorb impact. Keep your posture upright. Hold the handles of the jump rope with a relaxed grip. Jump only high enough to clear the rope, landing on the balls of your feet with your knees slightly bent. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Number 3. Plank. Planks are an isometric exercise, meaning they involve maintaining a static position for a prolonged period. This engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, transverse abdominis, deep core muscles, obliques, back, shoulders, and even the glutes and legs. By strengthening the core muscles, planks improve stability, balance, and posture. Planks may not be a high-intensity exercise, but they still contribute to fat loss by increasing muscle mass and improving overall metabolic function. By strengthening the core muscles and engaging multiple muscle groups, planks help increase lean muscle mass, which can indirectly support fat loss, including belly fat. One often overlooked benefit of planks is their ability to improve posture. Poor posture can make the belly appear more prominent by causing the lower back to arch and the abdomen to stick out. The transverse abdominis, which is activated during planks, acts as a natural corset for the body, helping to tighten and flatten the abdominal region as the muscles become stronger and more toned. To perform the plank correctly, lie on your elbows, ensuring they are positioned directly beneath your shoulders at a right angle. Your body should create a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your legs straight and engaged throughout the exercise. Aim for 3 sets of 1 minute each. Number 4. Burpees. Burpees are a high-intensity exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including the legs, core, arms, chest, and shoulders. This total body engagement makes burpees an excellent calorie-burning exercise. On average, a person can burn between 10 to 15 calories per minute performing burpees, depending on body weight and intensity. When incorporated into a workout routine, burpees can significantly contribute to the caloric deficit needed for fat loss, including belly fat. The intensity of burpees also makes them effective for boosting the heart rate, which helps increase calorie burn both during and after the workout. Lower your body into a squat position and place your hands flat on the ground. Next, jump your feet back to assume a plank position. Lower your chest by bending your arms, then push yourself back up. Jump your feet forward to return to the squat position, and finish with an explosive jump upward. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Number 5. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a high-intensity, full-body exercise that helps burn a significant number of calories in a short period. Because this exercise engages multiple muscle groups including the core, legs, arms, shoulders, and chest, mountain climbers elevate the heart rate, promoting calorie burn and cardiovascular endurance. Depending on the intensity, a person can burn anywhere from 8 to 12 calories per minute doing mountain climbers, making it an efficient way to create the caloric deficit necessary for fat loss. To perform mountain climbers correctly, start in a plank position with your arms straight. Activate your core muscles. Quickly pull one knee towards your chest, then return it to the starting position while bringing the opposite knee in at the same time. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Like and subscribe and watch other health tips video on our channel.